Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're doing another unboxing video, this time of Renegade springs. So these are leaf springs for our CycleKarts, and Mark had these special made for us. So let's take a look at what you get when you order from Mark. So I ordered these on about 3 days. These showed up at the house here. So we'll get this untaped here. See what we get. All right. Oh, that's nice. They're zip tied together. Those are, oh, they're already painted. Oh, how nice is that? All right, so let's cut those zip ties apart. Okay. And two. All right, so there's two leaf springs. All right, cool. So let me take a look in the box. I don't know if Mark put a business card in there on the other end or not. It's just stuff full of paper. It's just stuff full of packing tape or packing stuff. So anyway, so Renegade CycleKarts gets these made especially for CycleKarts. So they're 1.25 inches wide, 24 inches long, and these are the same basic design as what the Ingles Coat Shop was making, except you don't have to buy the entire seat spring. Let me pause the video for a second. I'll show you what that seat spring looks like so you can have an idea of what you're going to get or not going to get with these Renegade ones. So be right back. Okay, so when you buy them from Ingles Coat Shop, you're going to get this outer one, which basically has like what look like washers welded onto it, and this is bolted into here on both ends. And of course there would be some tension in there to make that fit. Let's see if it fits on this one better. Yeah, this one will fit better. This one's a different length even. So if you slide that in there, and you put some tension on this will go back into there. So it kind of creates that. You can get the idea what that would look like when you receive it. So these are buggy seat springs, so your buggy seat would sit on top of here. A buckboard seat, basically. Old time wooden wagon sort of deal. So when you buy these from Ingles, this piece here is not used. So you're paying for freight and paying for labor on something you're not going to need. You toss this away unless you can find another use for it. The other thing is, look at the difference in arch. Look how tall this one from Ingles is compared to the one I'll put in front. The one Mark's making. See how much shorter that is? So that is a couple inches at least. What do we got here? Almost 2 inches shorter from here to here. So that's a big difference. In fact, now that I see this, I might put this on the Aston Martin. I'm having trouble. These new ones I got from Ingles are much taller, and that might get the front end down a little bit better. So that actually might help out a lot with the geometry. So the other thing is too, and this one has a little helper spring on it. You see, from Ingles, there's 3 holes. The center one would be the mounting hole, and 2 other holes. I'm not sure what those other 2 holes are for. Maybe something for the mount the seat. Probably to mount the seats what they're for. Anyway, so these other holes are omitted because we don't need those. A lot of guys, their springs break right here. So that center hole, there's 3 holes there. This is a place where it kind of weakens the spring, so not having that helps. Yeah, these are cool. I'm happy with these. Let me get a measurement. Let me get a tape measure real quick. Okay, so these are actually measuring about 25 inches from mounting hole to mounting hole. And from the center of that hole to the center of that hole, that's it for those metric guys, about 63 1/4 millimeters? Centimeters? Oh, sorry. Centimeters. 63 centimeters. I don't know, it's metric. I don't know what I'm doing with metric stuff. And again, the width should be 1.25 inches. Yep, it is 1.25 inches wide. Let's see right there. So, yeah, that's a pretty good value. So you're not buying all this extra stuff you don't need. These are purpose built for CycleKarts. So give Mark at Renegade CycleKarts a call. He'll hook you up with this. And any other, if you need a front suspension parts, if you need a frame, he's doing those as well. So, hey, thanks, Mark, for making these great products. CycleKart community appreciates it. All right. Like, subscribe, and catch you guys on the next one.